Good morning. This is Shailesh Kopikar, Product Manager at Taj Technologies. Taj serves over 20 major hospitals in the United States, all of which have an acute shortage of nurse and clinical workers. Clinical workers typically have a contract of 13 weeks, which means every 13 weeks they will be looking for jobs, and for each contract they have to complete an exhaustive documentation for compliance. Current HR processes were geared towards IT and engineering, a longer cycle. And so Taj management entrusted the product management team to come up with a solution to address this problem. Taj team comprises of Scrum Master, full stack developers, software tester, UX specialist, and an infrastructure manager. We came up with a solution comprising of a nurse portal to find jobs with one-click apply, a skill matrix online solution which could be turned around very quickly, and self-serving dashboards for both HR staff as well as candidates. I will now pass it on to Janvi.
Thank you, Shailesh. I'll be sharing my screen now. And as Shailesh said, I work in capacity of UX specialist here. My role here is to understand needs of users and create an experience to make their life easy. Early in the process, I interviewed stakeholders to understand their requirements. I observed their process and then designed the system based on resulted persona. Later in the process, we went back and forth discussing some new ideas, and I upgraded designs, taking in their inputs and feedbacks. We tried to modernize our legacy systems, and we are still in process of implementing those changes. These are a few pages and designs I've created. Something like this is a consultant portal where we have these easy interactions. Then this is a consultant tracker, while this is still we are working on this HR onboarding system, and this is a landing page. So what we did is basically we tried to keep in mind our user base, their constraints, their time constraint, and tried to be inclusive of all sorts. We have responsive web design to make our application most accessible to all types of users and candidates, so if required they can complete the task on the go from their handheld devices. So to conclude, our decisions of choice of colors, intuitive action buttons, view of first page fold, informative color indicators and markers, so all these things were incorporated keeping in mind our end users. Thank you, Shailesh. I'll hand it back to you. You may share your screen.
Thank you, Janvi. Pass it now to Anirban.
Thanks, Shailesh. I am an architect and full stack developer. Skill Matrix is developed using Angular for front end and .NET Core for web APIs. We followed microservice architecture. Using this application, users' turnaround time comes down from 2-3 days to under 10-15 minutes. We save sensitive, personally identifiable information in the system. So we have taken measures like data encryption to ensure system security. Thank you. Rajendra, you can proceed.
Yeah. Thank you, Anirban. Yeah, I'm the architect and full stack developer, and I'm also handling the release management of various applications integrated in the onboard. We integrated our ERP, public facing portal, and the onboard system. To achieve this solution, we extensively using the REST APIs, which is developing using the ASP.NET Web API, WCF, and .NET Core Web APIs. We are also following the coding standards as per the CMMI guidelines. And we have a different environments like a development, test, and production environments, where we will run a various test cases before deploying the application to the production environments. Thank you. I'm handing back over to Shailesh.
Thank you, Rajendra. And yes, while we are satisfied with our work, we are continually improving and serving with the goal of serving our customers better. Thank you very much.